How to add threads to Instagram bio. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add threads to Instagram bio. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure to download and install Threads application if you haven't yet downloaded the application. Now, launch Threads app and make sure to log into your Threads application and the same Instagram account on your device. After that, you need to simply tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. At top right corner, you will see Instagram icon. Simply tap on it and this takes you to Instagram where you will see your threads badge. So your unique threads number with an @ sign. By default, the badge shows in your Instagram bio, letting followers know you are on threads and linking them to your profile. If you want to hide the badge, you can simply tap Hide Badge in Instagram and this removes it from your bio. And simply you have to toggle the button off and the thread badge on your Instagram profile will now not appear. That's it. You have successfully linked threads to your Instagram bio. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy threading!